Good day. Today we're going to show you how to install Nordiko Aluminium Console to the shipping container. This container will be 8'6" high. For 9'6" high containers, installation will be exactly the same, and the operator should follow a comprehensive Nordiko operation manual on how to do things safely and efficiently. So now we'll be showing again how to attach 8'6" console to 8'6" container. First of all, what we do, we will just prepare locking bars. There is a locking bar, two short locking bars for right hand side. We'll just put it close to the right hand side of container, and two of longer locking bars, we'll put them on close to the left hand side of the door opening. Then it will be two-man operation. Do not attempt to do it as a single person, and always follow Nordiko operation manual, which covers all aspects for safety and efficient operation. So let's just start our installation. So again, there will be two persons, left-hand person and right-hand person. I will be the right-hand person, and our engineer Garth will be the left-hand person. We'll show you the roles for each person during this process. Let's begin. So first of all, just observe how to correctly place your hands on the handle of the console. So for right-hand person, right hand goes to the bottom of the handle, and left hand goes to the top of the handle. Let's just move it towards the container. So two persons safely lift the console and put it on, observe just bottom corner casting of the door opening, like this. This procedure is comprehensively described in the operation manual, and this is the first stage of installation of the door. The important point to observe is the side of the console should sit parallel to the side of container as far to the right as possible. Let's just see how it sits. Sits perfect. So from now on, left-hand person holds the console while it is attached to the container, and right-hand person will be installing locking bars in a specific sequence. First of all, we'll need to install left-hand top locking bar, like this. Then bottom left-hand locking bar, like this. Next one is top locking bar on the right-hand side. And the last thing is the bottom locking bar at right-hand side. That's it. It's very simple. Just make sure you have everything installed correctly and nothing loose, nothing moving. So now the console is correctly attached to the shipping container. Again, just post-operation check. Make sure that the console sits parallel to the side of container as far to the right as possible. That's it.